The last step for this assignment is to create your own cell style, which is kind of a cool thing that you can do. You can actually do this in Word too. So we are going to, and then we'll add the new cell styles to these two headings over here. So it doesn't really matter where you're selected or what cell is selected. We're going to head up to cell styles and we'll come down and we'll say new cell style. And we can name the first one row 1, and then we'll click format. So if we want to change our alignment, maybe we want it centered, centered both vertically and horizontally. We can choose our font style that we want. So you can click on any of these and you'll see the example of what it looks like down here in the preview area. It's a heading. Maybe you want to make it bold. You can change the color. Of course, this is Microsoft, so there's always more. And change the font size. I think row 1 needs to be larger than row 2, so I'll make it a little bit bigger. I'm not going to add a fill or a border, but I could if I wanted to, and I don't need to. By default, all the cells are already locked. It doesn't really matter. We're not going to be using it to lock the cells for this assignment. So once you have all your formatting changes made that you like, you can click OK. And then here you just want to make sure that the type of changes that you made are checked off here. So that the cell style remembers them. It wasn't a number, so we didn't use that. And you can keep these checked if you want. It's not going to matter. We have our name here, and we'll say OK. Then when we come over to where we want to use our cell style, for example, we want to use it here in row 1. I'm going to select it, go to my cell styles, and here it is, right here. So we can make another one, new style. We'll name it row 2. We can format it. Maybe I'll change the font style a little bit, make it a little bit smaller. Change the color. I can put in a light fill if I want to. It's not a number, so I'm going to uncheck that. Actually, I want to make sure that my alignment is centered. Okay, it is. And I'll say OK. And I'll click down here in this area and choose row 2. And now I've created 2 new cell styles, and these cell styles will stay with your workbook, so you can use them throughout your workbook if you would like.